Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tag Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you create and publish reels from Meta Business Suite. So guys, at first from your page just go to Meta Business Suite. Also you can search for business.facebook.com, and after that here you can see this option create reel. Just click on it, and after clicking it, here you can see you can share it to your Instagram and Facebook page as well. I'm going to share it only to my Facebook page. Now here you can see add video. If you click on it, you can add just your video that you want to create reel for. As you can see, I have added this video. Now here you can see in the reel details, the caption of the reel, you can put the caption of the reel. And after that you can also add another video by clicking here, as many video as you want, by clicking add video and add it to your desktop. And after scrolling here you can see you can choose the thumbnail from here. You can upload image to choose the thumbnail. You can choose frame. If you click on choose frame, you can upload image for the thumbnail, and you can also choose from suggested thumbnail. And if you have any collaborator, you can just give their name or URL, and after that click on next. And before clicking next, here you can see in the top edit, you can also edit your video. You can put some music or audio if you want. Here you need to make sure that your reel is 90 seconds long, not more than 90 seconds long, your reel. And click on next. Now here you can see share to groups. You can share your reel to many kind of groups. As it can see, you can select up to 3 groups to share your reel. You can schedule your reel if you want, but we won't do that. You can add a poll to your reel, and after that just click on share. And by doing this, you can just share your reel to Instagram and Facebook Meta Business Suite. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tag Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.